Hornby's 2025 releases of the J13 here in the Great Northern Railway's livery of 1257. G'day everyone and welcome back to Hearns' YouTube. Today we're taking a look at one of Hornby's 2025 releases of the J13 here in the Great Northern Railway's livery as 1257. Number 1257 was built at Doncaster Works in 1901 to designs of Henry Ivat. Originally GNR Class J13 was later reclassified as LNER J52 and renumbered to 4257 in 1946. In the 1946 renumbering scheme it became number 8856 and then under BR it gained a prefix 6. The locomotive was finally withdrawn in October 1951, having served almost 5 decades, a testament to the robust and versatile design of these saddle tanks, which could be found in shunting duties and short goods trains across the network. The version Hornby has released in 2025 is presented in beautiful Great Northern Railway lined green, complete with black and white lining in gold shaded numerals and lettering. Specific features for number 1257 include raised safety cab roof ventilator, a matte finish to the smoke box and cab roof, double footstep arrangements, coal bunker with coal rails, brass ras bottom safety valves, tapered GNR buffer stocks and sprung metal buffers, and of course the distinctive built-up chimney. It's a complete locomotive at just 12.5 centimetres long, but Hornby has packed in an impressive level of detail and authenticity. Underneath, the model is built around a die-cast boiler, chassis and running plate, giving it a solid weight of around 235 grams, which means plenty of traction on layout duties. It's powered by a 5-pole skew-wound motor, driving through die-cast connecting rods, with OLH bearings for durability. Pickups are on all wheels, and servicing is made easier by Hornby's plug-and-go pin pickup arrangement. Sprung buffers are included on both ends, and you also get NEM coupler pockets with close coupling mechanism at the rear. The J13 features a wealth of separately fitted details such as metal handrails with brass stanchions, vacuum pipes, lamps, couplers with an accessory bag included so you can customise the look. The cab detail is fully decorated with decorative blackhead, instruments and opening vent roof as a nice touch for adding crew figures or just admiring the detail. Hornby has also included a removable coal load, separately fitted lamps and the availability to change lamp codes for prototypical operation. The locomotive is DCC ready with a 21-pin decoder socket sealed inside, and it's compatible with Hornby's HM7000 Bluetooth and DCC decoders. Decoder-controlled firebox flicker is included as a feature when you fit the HM7000 system, really bring the model to life. With its fine GNR livery, strong die-cast build and modern electronics capability, Hornby's all-new J13 is a real must-have for anyone modelling the pre-grouping or early 20th century rail scene. It's also a fantastic option if you want something a bit different from the usual mainline express engines. After all, these workaday saddle tanks were the unsung heroes of the goods yards and branch lines. So we're really impressed with this balance of historical accuracy, detail and running capability packed into this little compact locomotive. So if you are interested in adding a J13 to your collection, you can pick them up now from Hearns' website, of course in store. If you have any other questions, reach out to us via social media, email or once again call the store. Anyway, thank you all so much for watching. We'll see you soon. Hooroo!